Hello everyone, welcome to Login Giant. In this video, we'll learn how to create a music video in CapCut. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. First, open up CapCut in your device. Now, in order to create a music video, the first thing you need to do is select a video from a gallery. And once you've added the video, tap on the audio option from the bottom toolbar. And now tap on sounds. Now you can also search for the song by typing the name of the song in the search bar. And once you've added the song, it's time to select the filter for your video. Scroll along the toolbar and select on filter option, and then select a suitable filter for your video. Now if you want, you can also insert other videos in between. For that, click on the plus icon and then select the other scene or video that you want to put on. You can also add a transition effect between these two clips. For that, tap on where you last splitted the video and then select a transition effect. Once you're done, tap the check mark at the bottom right. And with this, our music video will be now created. So we hope you find this video helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to us for more helpful tutorials.